In this video, you'll learn how to add photos to a Canva template and customize it for your project. First, select the search field in Canva and begin typing your desired template, such as Instagram post photo. This allows you to quickly find the ideal layout to start your design. Next, click the Customize this template button to instantly open your chosen template for editing. Now, select the Uploads option in the sidebar to access the area where you can add your own photos or graphics to your project. When you want to enhance or edit a photo, select it and click the Background Remover tool. This tool instantly removes backgrounds, helping your images fit seamlessly into the template. Once your design is complete, click the Share button and then the Download button to prepare your project for saving. Before saving, adjust the size slider, select the PNG option, and finally click Download to finish the process. That's it! Your Canva template is now personalized and ready to use.